Hello everyone, welcome back to the online health guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to find draft reels on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top beside the search icon. Tap on Reel. Now at the top there are many options. Swipe to the right. Tap on Drafts. Here you can find all of your saved drafts, but do keep in mind that the drafts will be automatically deleted after 60 days. Here select the draft that you want to edit. Now you can further edit the reel and post it. And that is how to find draft reels on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.